Hello students, this question is from test series 3, subject analog from the chapter operational amplifier and its application. It is of 2 marks questions. Here we need to find out what is the value of this Ix. This is the given circuit. This is the op amp. The negative terminal of this op amp, it is connected with serially 2 resistance, that is 500 ohms and 1000 ohm, and with a source of 1 milliamps. The positive terminal of this op amp is connected with 2 kilo ohms. The another end it is connected with 10 volts, and this end is connected with silicon diode, and here it is grounded. The output of this is connected with 1000 ohms, and here it is grounded. We need to find out this Ix value for this circuit. The voltage at the non-inverting input, it will be equal to voltage at the inverting input, it will be 0.7 volts. The current through the feedback resistance, that is 1 kilo ohm, it will be 1 milliamps. So the output op amp, it will be equal to 0.7 minus 1, it will be equal to minus 0.3 volts. Then applying KCL at the output of the op amp, here output of the op amp, that is KCL is nothing but Kirchhoff voltage law. So Ix plus 1 milliamps plus 0.3 milliamps, it will be equal to 0. Simplifying this, Ix value will get as minus 1.3 milliamps. So option D is the correct one. It is minus 1.3 milliamps. Thank you.